Hunting season is right around the corner. Ladies, you may be tempted to file a missing persons report for your husband. But before you do that, give me a call and let's upgrade your home. I'm Nick Boyd, professional real estate agent and avid hunter. When you go hunting, you need to know the lay of the land, have the right tools and equipment, and know the behavior of the prey you're hunting. Just like the real estate market, you need to know how the market changes and what the market's doing. You need to have the right tools and people in place, as well as have the marketing department to list your home to find the right buyer. Let me use my years of experience to help you find your next home. Call me at 409-789-0227. Happy hunting, everyone, and to everyone, a good kill.